You're here because you want to start a YouTube channel, but you don't know, either you don't know how, you don't know what, or you just don't want to like get made fun of for making a YouTube channel. Okay, let me tell you this. If you click on my videos and then you scroll down to the very first few, I have videos from 5 years ago now. And if in 2 months it'll be 5 years, I believe, maybe 4. It's been a while, and it is the most embarrassing video I have ever posted, and I really did want to take it down, but it has good views. It has people like it. Honestly, this video could be like 1 minute long. There's one quote from Gary Vee that I use with pretty much everything, well, except for the illegal stuff. Pretty much everything that keeps me legal and safe, and it's just go. Like, that's the kiddie version. Gary Vee likes to use his words, which is why everybody loves him. So yeah, it's just go. Like, just do it. Wake up one day and just do it. That's literally all you can say. Welcome back to another video, guys. Alright, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Colton Merrill. I am the host of this video channel, thingamajig. Yeah, that's me. And what we're going to be talking about in today's video is how to get you started posting your very first YouTube video or getting back to posting videos on your YouTube channel. So I have been a member on YouTube for about 6 years now. So it's been a little bit, it's been a while. I have been through every single monetization change that they have made on YouTube. Back in 2014, you could post a video and get paid. I made some money back then with my YouTube videos. I didn't even know, to be honest. It kind of just felt like something normal back then. Hopefully it's still waiting for me when I get monetized again in this year, because that's the goal. That's the end goal. That's honestly the end goal, is to have a YouTube channel that is successful in people's eyes. I think it's successful right now. I mean, I'm coming up on 100,000 views overall on my channel, and that is a very big milestone. That's 6 digits. That's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Okay, so you want to post your first YouTube video, but you don't know why, what, when, how, where, like all of the W's and the H's and whatever. First off, figure out what you want to talk about. You could literally post, there's a YouTube channel where the guy goes around the world and drinks water. I don't know what he's doing right now due to COVID, but I know that it has like 6 million or like 2 million subscribers. I know he has 1 million subscribers at least. And he literally flies around and drinks water. The videos are amazing. The videos are amazing. I've watched them. But all he does is drink water. So you can literally make a video about anything. Business, water, food, skating. Those are just like the things I would make a video about, but that's about hats, shoes. Like, if you like shoes, make a video about shoes. Like, everybody loves shoes. Pokemon. People are Googling Pokemon through the roof right now. It's very, very crazy, honestly. First, you need to figure out what your video is going to be about. What the topic is, what the title is, like what everything's going to be about. You kind of have to have like a little bit of an idea, unless you just want to freeball it. I sometimes do that, and it's honestly hard, but I think it's kind of fun just to like figure out. It's so cold. It's so cold. Kind of figure out what you want to do, and that's why I kind of change up a lot, just because I want to figure out what I want to do. After you figure out what you want to post, you need to figure out why. I don't know why I said that so weird. Why you need to post. Why you want to post. Why would I want to post a video about business? I want to help people. Done. Easy. See, it's not like super difficult. You just overthink it. The freezer is 20 degrees. No, the fridge is 20 degrees. That's pretty... Maybe... I hope it does. I hope it's not 20. Hopefully it's 30. It's so cold here. Literally last week it was like 90 degrees, and this week it's 40. It's so cold. 40 degrees is cold, alright? That's cold. It's not even freezing, but it's cold. Okay, once you've figured out why you want to post a YouTube video, now, I'm just going to say, you pretty much just have to have, you just have to have the guts to post it. All you have to do is edit it. You can edit it on your phone. You literally get a free iMovie app. I don't know about Android, so I don't know, but Apple, good job. Sorry, I'm just saying. You get a free editing software called iMovie. It literally comes on your phone. You don't even have to download it. You put the video in there and you edit it, and then you can upload it to YouTube straight from there, adding the tags, the description, everything, every single thing you can do on iMovie. There are some YouTubers who still edit their movies or videos on iMovie. I know that the Stradman did it for a while, and Graham Stephan did it for a while. There's a lot of people who still edit their videos on iMovie, so it's nothing to be ashamed of. I personally used to edit my videos on iMovie, and I was really bad at it, so I changed over to Adobe. It's better for me. It honestly depends on which is best for you. Once you have figured out why, now, well, and you figured out that you need to just do it, honestly, somebody's going to watch you. Your mom's going to watch you, your dad's going to watch you, they're going to love it. Your parents, like, even if you don't have parents, somebody's going to watch it. You could watch it, just you. You watch it and you say, yes, this is freaking great. This is beautiful. This is awesome. Or, this sucks. I do that still. Sometimes I don't like hearing my voice. So, like, it's just really weird for me to hear my voice in videos. But I think that, you know, if you can come to terms with yourself first and before you post the video and just think, this is like what I want to do, I would love to post some videos. Even if you don't want to be a million, like not a millionaire, have 1 million subscribers or be like a big YouTuber, you can still post a video just to say like, oh, I posted a video on YouTube. Because I think there was a study that like 6 out of 10 kids want to be a YouTuber or like an influencer nowadays. How many kids do you know that are actually doing it? How many kids do you know that are actually posting out, actually doing something with their life? If I would say out of 10 random kids, I would say it would be 2 out of 10. Maybe. Just out of the people that I know, it would be 2 out of 10. Maybe 1 if it was just me. If you post one video, you're already 95% of the way farther than the other people. All you gotta do is post one video. It's 1 foot after the other. You can't see my feet, but I just moved them, so that's a good thing to keep in mind. It's just 1 foot after the other. All you gotta do is just post one video, post another video, post another video, and just keep on posting, keep on moving down the ladder, or up the ladder technically, keep on moving up the ladder, and just do what you want to do. Even if you don't want to post a video, if you want to like be an influencer, if you want to do videos on Instagram, if you want to do whatever on Instagram or Facebook or I don't know, that's pretty much the only 2 that I know people do that, or TikTok, whatever, that stupid TikTok stuff. Post regularly, something I'm really bad at, which is why I probably don't have such a big fan base. Post regularly, post consistently. Those are probably the 2 biggest ones. Have relatable content. Sometimes I don't edit out when I stutter or when I mess up because it happens. You know, it's going to happen, and it helps people like, oh, he stutters, I stutter too. Maybe that will make them be more comfortable posting a YouTube video because it happens to everybody. And sometimes, you know, when people like, I don't want to call anybody out, but like a big YouTuber like, I don't know, James Charles or David Dobrik or Logan Paul or somebody like that, anybody with like 10 million plus or 20 million even, because they all have a lot, they just edit out everything, I would say, and don't really show like the real part of them. Logan does a pretty good job. I don't really watch James Charles or David, so I don't really know what they do, but I know that there are some YouTubers out there that edit everything out and just have like a perfect video. I would say that is not what you want to do. Just have fun with it. If people can watch you and relate to you and laugh with you and grow with you, that is the end goal. This video has probably only like been 5 minutes, but it's really important. And you guys, if you want to post a freaking YouTube video, post a YouTube video. You totally got it. You just gotta go. Just go. Do it. Just do it. Nike. Just do it. Go at it. Get it. Wake up and just like, I'm gonna do it. Go to bed saying I'm gonna do it. Wake up saying I'm gonna do it, and then do it. Don't say you're gonna do it and then don't do it. Get it done. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day and you're staying safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, adios homies.